Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report from my friend 7.9 in Hawaii on this Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. 7.9, we got you ready to go, man. Tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrades, high cut noise filter right in the back. We've got your 4 gauge wire ready to go. We've got that on the website if you might be wondering where he picked that up at. We're going to start with the R power all the way down. 500 watt slug. At 25 watts all the way down in case Mr. 7.9 wants to run an amp, he always can. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 300 bird average. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. Over 700 peak watts. This thing's ready to rock and roll for you, Mr. 7.9. Got your LED fan upgrade as well. Gonna keep this thing nice and cool and look good while doing it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.